Hi Martin, me again. It's a little late, but I just wanted to tell you about my Scream It Like You Mean It experience. I drove 8 hours to Atlanta for it, and I had the best time of my life. It was like really awesome. Um, I only got to see a little bit of you guys play because I had to go find my friend. But from what I saw, you guys were amazing, even though the set was short. And then afterwards, I got to meet you, and you signed my phone case and my shoe, and you just gave me like 2 or 3 hugs, and I was just really happy. And you recognized me from the last video, and it was just really, really awesome. So you just made that one of the best days of my life, and I just wanted to thank you for it. And I'm really sorry that this is a little bit late, but I can't wait for your next tour because I'm probably going, and I'm just really, really excited. So, love you.